Sir, can you tell us something about KDMC's initiative on the e-governance, since you're the leaders?
In Kalyan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, the computer department was established way back in 1995. In 1999, the government of Maharashtra had taken a decision of computerization of all municipal services, and the TSP approach was adopted. Kalyan Mumbai Municipal Corporation also adopted holistic approach and appointed ABM Knowledgeware as its partner for development of application software. Then, as per the government guidelines, government of Maharashtra guidelines, we established one expert committee consisting of 3 experts from IIT, VJTI and NCST. Dr. Mantha, who is now chairman of AICTE, was member of that expert committee. Professor Mandalia from NCST and Dr. Dhamderi from IIT Mumbai. 3 members were there, and I was member secretary of that committee. I was in the e-governance department of KDMC in 1999, and Mr. Srikant Singh was our municipal commissioner. Besides that expert committee, there was one high power committee headed by the municipal commissioner, consisting of all department heads and municipal commissioner as its head. This expert committee used to take review and take decisions, and the decisions were vetted by the high power committee. Since we adopted holistic approach, the ABM Knowledgeware, which was a TSP, prepared system requirement specification document first, what is called SRS. After that SRS, we had prepared software design document. We did business process re-engineering of more than 400 processes, and on the basis of that business process re-engineering, we prepared software design document. After the software design document was prepared, actual software was developed, application software required for various departments of the municipal corporation. It was developed in our own municipal corporation. One development wing was established, and after the development of the software, we conducted testing. The application software testing was conducted by various committees, and then we started trial run in May 2002, and actually it was dedicated to the citizens in September 2002 at the hands of the then Chief Minister, Mr. Vilasrao Deshmukh.
Thank you. So what are the citizens' benefits that you see regarding challenges that you see regarding this e-governance? How are they able to cope with it?
We established citizen facilitation centers, one in headquarters and 7 administrative wards. So as a result, the citizen facilitation center is a single point interface for the citizens. We have identified near about 100 plus services, and there are about 125 various natures of complaints which are required to be redressed. So citizen, if at all has to avail of any service, has to come to the citizen facilitation center, submit his application there, or if at all if there is any complaint, he can register his complaint in the citizen facilitation center. In turn, he gets a token number. He can find out the status of his complaint or the status of his service, which is provided through the citizen facilitation center. Earlier, the citizens had to come to the head of the department or his subordinate or to the municipal commissioner in order to avail some service or in order to get his complaint redressed. With this new system, the citizen had to go to only citizen facilitation center.
Can you highlight some of the major initiatives that you all have achieved through this e-governance?
The most important thing is our property tax department was computerized on priority basis. Our water supply department was prioritized on emergency basis, and as a result, we could carry out the assessment of all properties. We understood that some of the properties were under-assessed or unassessed. Those properties were assessed, and The bills could be printed very fast, could be served fast. That's why our revenue has gone up. That is one benefit to the corporation. In case of water bills also, our collection efficiency has improved. Our revenue has gone up. And for citizens also, it has become easy to come to the Citizen Facilitation Center and make payments of various taxes. Or other department, birth and death certificate. People need birth certificates for their children before the time of admission in schools or colleges. So we could provide, earlier it used to take days to get the birth certificate. Now we could provide birth certificate within few minutes.
What do you think is the IT penetration in KDMC area?
In Kalyan Dombivli, you see, we have established around 200 computers. We have provided 200 computers to our junior engineers, deputy engineers, executive engineers, to our clerks, senior clerks, superintendents, all assistant commissioners and all deputy commissioners. So almost all head of the departments are having computers on their desk, and even subordinate staff is also IT literate. When we started computerization, simultaneously we also started imparting training to our staff. As a result, you will see that computer literacy level in Kalyan Dombivli is quite high. As far as our municipal corporation is concerned, almost all our staff can use computers.
What about how do you find the feedback? So, like, how are the citizens responding to this? Are they finding it easier to go online and get all these services done, or they feel it easier to just come to the office and stand at the counters and make their payments and all
You can
that?
very well judge the response of the citizens by the remarks that they have given in the visitors book. They are very happy. Most important thing is, for some services or some complaint redressals, they do not have to come to CFC also. They can register their complaints online also. So that's why they are very happy. The response is very positive.
So can you tell us some of the other initiatives that you are into besides the...
Now we want to start that auto discharge system for town planning department.
Okay.
Right now, half of our departments have been computerized, and some other important departments are yet to be computerized. And town planning department is on our priority now. We want to implement that auto discharge system, wherein the plans or the permissions required for development, permissions required for building construction can be given online. The architects or the developers can submit their plans in e-form, can be scrutinized with the help of computer, and the permission can be granted within minutes. Nowadays it takes 60 days, minimum 60 days to give the permission. Whereas with this auto discharge, we will be in a position to give permissions in few minutes or few seconds.
So there's any other announcement or anything else, any other message you would like to give the readers with regards to what KDMC is doing?
In order to bring transparency in municipal administration and efficiency in service delivery system, we have to use computer. Computer is our best slave, best friend. So we must make maximum use of IT in our day-to-day administration.